In this occasion, we would like to present about how to make fruits and milk for English practice exam. But before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Sohan SM Mudara. My name is Sinta, speaker 1. My name is Risti, speaker 2. My name is Ila, speaker 3. My name is Nadia, speaker 4. Fruit sandwich, 1 ingredient. A photograph of butter, 30 grams of strawberry, 2 seeds of banana, 1 cup grams grapes, 1 plate of bread, 1 spoon, 2 bowl, 1 knife, 1 chopping board, and 1 dish. Method. First, fruit is clear. Second, peel the fruit and cut it into pieces. Third, is pepper and 1 plastic bowl and the butter and powder sugar. Then seal and use everything mixer. Next, add coconut condensed milk and steam a mixer until it expands. After that, prepare the bread cream cream and then press the cream on top of the cream according to the taste. Then spread the cream around the liquid, smoke it up until it flows. After that, cover with bread. Then cut the bread into pieces. When